Pulling all I'm enjoying my breakfast all by myself. I do like the course though.
Tegen de lamp gelopen. Wanna get in? What's up? Stuart, mag je jouw vlog? Stuart! De Gibson, mag je jouw vlog?
I think that's Daniel. Oh, another one. It's Levi. It's pretty funny. This past weekend, everyone was giving me shit about the vlog, the whole vlogging thing in general. Apparently, it's not really accepted to walk around with a camera in front of your face. But just keep watching. Here for 3 days, €5. That is not. That's good. Where's my car? Where's my car? Where's my car? I think I parked her over there. Let's go see. It's my car, but that's not my car. There she is. I go all over the place looking for my car. I'm like, where's my car? There's my car. Put my car in the car park for 3 days. It should be €15 a day, but they only charged me €5. I'm like, okay, that works. So, I'm up here. You can see the course from here. It's dry for now. Too dark. It's dry now. We're gonna start mountain biking in a minute and then on with BMX Pro qualifying. Let's hope it stays dry.
Ik ga best eens een vloggen.
We are in the subway at the moment. It was raining again. 2 hours from now, we're gonna start with pro finals. And until then, we'll just sit here, eat some sandwiches, and be bored. We're done, we're finished. Levi almost landed a double decade. Now it's 2.5 hour drive back home. Yeah.
Come